everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wizard Kid is Life. Wizard Kid here. Now, I don't know if you can see behind me. I'll show you guys. This is my area of my town. God dang. That over there is a wharf. Don't ask me where it came from. But look at our street. Our street is seriously a river. I'm going to go too far out of this. I'm going to go back the back way, but a bunch of stuff over there. I'll take you back over there. We'll go this way. I just want to show the number plate of this car. I'm just trying to be wary of it. I can't believe this. Like, this happened overnight. And to be fair, it has actually gone down a little bit, which is great news. Ooh. I don't know if you see them, but let's zoom in for you. There's two goats. Neighbours have two goats. I'm going back over where it's higher ground. That's our neighbour Dallas's backyard. Our properties, everyone's properties out here is literally the river at the end of our street. And I have no idea how long it's going to last. Oh. Ooh, high ground. Alright, sorry for the shakiness, it's just hard to walk. I don't know what's on the ground. A garage. Whoa. Whoa. Unbelievable. Still good. Give me one sec. I'm just drinking this orange juice.